In this guide, you will learn how to fix pay not showing up on BMO Bank. Let's get started. First, make sure you are logged into the correct BMO account because some account types may not support bill payments or transfer. Next, try updating the BMO app from Google Play Store or App Store, since outdated versions can sometimes hide features or fail to load sections properly. After updating, completely close the app and reopen it or restart your phone to refresh the connection. Another common reason is that your account may not yet be fully set up for online payments. In some cases, you need to add a payee or complete account verification before the pay section becomes visible. You should also check whether your internet connection is stable because Wi-Fi or VPN usage can prevent banking features from loading correctly. Turning off VPN and switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data often helps. If you're using the desktop version of BMO Online Banking, try clearing your browser cache or signing in using another browser. Sometimes browser extensions or saved cache files interfere with banking menus. Finally, if the pay feature is still missing, it could be a temporary system issue or restrictions on your account. In that case, contact BMO customer support directly through the official banking app or website so they can check whether payments are disabled or unavailable for your profile. And that's it. With these, you will be good to go. Your problem will be fixed. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.